Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on XMARTO wireless security camera system 8-channel 1080p NVR 8-piece 1.3 megapixel wireless security IP cameras, 1 terabyte hard drive. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. A standalone wireless home security camera system with 8 pieces HD Wi-Fi security cameras, a 8-channel 1080p NVR base W 1 terabyte hard disk in. Cameras stream wirelessly to the base via Wi-Fi, no need to run video cables. Perfect DIY security camera system for houses, offices, stores, and more. The security cameras were paired to the NVR. You only need to plug cameras to power, NVR to a TV or PC monitor. The system is on and working. Easy for anyone. Wi-Fi router built-in NVR receiver has its own Wi-Fi router inside. Wi-Fi cameras stream videos with its own Wi-Fi, preserving your home Wi-Fi for your mobiles, tablets, TVs, and more. Takes only minutes to set up cameras in app for viewing from anywhere anytime. A 1 terabyte surveillance hard drive was pre-installed for up to past 30-day loop recording. 1.3 million pixel per channel delivers crystal clear videos. With RCA audio jack on each camera, a basic microphone brings audio into the videos. Weather resistance and night vision. IP66 weatherproof and 80 feet IR night vision, the security camera can be mounted everywhere. If you're new here, don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.